Alright guys, Matco. Got a bunch of cool stuff today. Take a look. Y'all know what these are. I got some on the wall over here. Got one some more. Nice. Like ninja throwing stars. Got this too, because the shop I work at keeps buying these crappy ones. You can't take the wheel weight off anything. Look at that. I'll let you know how these things do later. Got a good heft. Pretty strong. Yeah. I don't know if they're going to do any good. We'll give it a shot later. I got this wrench extender. So you put your wrench in as the picture. There's a part number, by the way. As the picture says right there. And then you can put on a 1/2-inch drive there if you need to. Matco. Of course, we all know this is rebranded, but still pretty slick. I'll give you updates as it comes. I notice the handle's a little bit thicker than the ones that are not branded Matco. This is a little bit thicker. I don't know if that has anything to do with Matco redoing it, saying, hey, we need more thicker or whatever. I don't know. But anyway, pretty slick. When I get to alignments, this is going to come in very handy with a 24mm. Nice. Guys, have a great day. We'll see you later.